If you are at a loss, or maybe when you are searching for something, where do you go? Who do you ask? Google? AI? Your friend? Your teacher? Si Father? Di ba kapag kami gusto po tayong paglilinaw, tinatanong natin o hinihingi natin ang payo o ang sagot sa tamang taong nakakaalam nito. My dear friends, our readings today, most especially our gospel, would give us competent people over questions and even clarifications in life. We heard St. Paul who would continue to assert himself in the midst of those in doubt. We also heard how Jesus responded to the request of his disciples, "Teach us to pray," as how John taught his disciples. Paul and Jesus answered not from hearsay or not from a certain soft grounding. They were the best person to answer the need. They also thought the right ways how to do it. Since the answer of Jesus is the prayer he taught us and the prayer we almost pray every day, we wish to contextualize our reflection in our experience of prayer. Sa pagdadasal natin, alam nating nasa tamang tao tayo at tama ang tinuturo ng taong iyon sa atin. When we pray, we lean to the right person. We lean to the right person who is God, who also teaches us right things, who would also teach us how it is to live today, how it is to forgive, what is the right thing to do, so on and so forth. When we need something, we know that in prayer, we do not only raise a request, but we also know that the one who is hearing it is the right person who could handle it. And that same person, God Himself, will know how He in turn can guide us. Kung ito po ang katotohanan sa panalangin, sana ito rin po ang katotohanan sa araw-araw nating buhay. People would need answers. People needs certainty. People would need resolutions. And in the midst of this thirst and this desire for answers and for needs, let us be right persons who will guide them rightly. Maging tamang tao na may tamang paggabay para sa mga ito. Let us not be part of those whom we cannot really rely our future or our needs. But as God is the right person for our needs, be the right person that can hear and help others. Huwag na po tayong sumandal sa mga maling tao na hindi tayo pakikinggan o tuturuan ng tama. Bagkus, sumandal sa mga tamang taong kilala natin. Sumandal sa Diyos para sa tama at masasayang karanasan tayo mabuhay. Sa tamang tao, kaya sa tamang landas. Sa Diyos, kaya sa madaming biyaya.